Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 24. Thai Chicken Wild Rice Soup. Thai Chicken Wild Rice Soup recipe that is sure to delight your taste buds. Prepare time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 45 minutes. Servings: 8. Ingredients: 8 ounces baby bella mushrooms, thinly sliced, 1 pound of boneless skinless chicken breasts, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2 carrots, diced, 2 bell peppers, 1 red and 1 yellow, 1 white onion, diced, 6 cups chicken stock, 1 cup unprepared wild rice, 1 15-ounce can coconut milk, 2 tablespoons Thai red curry paste, 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger, finely sliced. Garnish with fresh lime wedges and fresh cilantro. Directions: Instant pot. 1. Mix the mushrooms, chicken, garlic, bell peppers, stock, carrots, wild rice, ginger and onions, along with Thai chili paste with an instant pot. 2. Set the vent to ceiling. Prepare on high for 30 minutes. Allow resting for 10 minutes using natural release. Set a venting and use quick release and remove the lid. 3. Put the prepared chicken on a plate and shred with forks. 4. Add the shredded chicken and coconut milk to the soup. Add salt and pepper along with additional Thai chili paste if needed. 5. Serve warm with garnishes of fresh cilantro and fresh squeezed lime juice, and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my Thai chicken wild rice soup recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.